Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby. I am a new mom, so you will see my little one in a lot of my videos from time to time because she will not let me put her down, and this is my best friend for now. But anyways, let's get into this video and why I'm making this video. So recently I just got my hair straightened after I say 2 years or so, maybe like 2 years. And I was so inspired by how much my hair grew that I wanted to share it with other new natural girls or natural girls that have been stuck at a point, because I have been there. But once I seen the progression of my hair, I was so proud of myself because I stayed patient, I stayed consistent with what I was doing. So if you continue watching and you are at that point where you're stuck at a point of your hair, you're not seeing any growth, please continue watching. What I'm gonna do is give a little bit of tips on what I did with my hair, but you don't have to follow those tips. But what I will say is to just take key points and what you should do to get yourself to whatever goal you want your hair length to be. So guys, I was where you were before. I was so frustrated. I was so angry on why my hair would not grow. So for years, guys, my hair would stay at neck length. It would not grow. It was really thin and I couldn't understand why. So what I had to do was learn my hair. So once I did that, I seen a lot of progression in my hair. And second biggest mistake that I did do, I might say it's the first, I was looking at other YouTubers and looking how their hair grew and looking at their progression. And that's the biggest mistake that I did. It might be the same for a lot of you guys as well, but I would say that's a big mistake because your hair type may not be the same as their hair type. So you have to learn your hair, guys. And when I say learn your hair, understand what products works for your hair, what type of hairstyles work for your hair. Whatever hair type might work for that person may not work for you. So you definitely have to learn your hair. So what I did was I Googled my hair. I Googled it and I wanted to see what hair type I had. The type of hair I had was that really shrinkage type of tight curls, like I would say 3A, 3B type of hair. So once I seen that, and then I also seen like, hey, my hair is dry from time to time, so I need to get products that will bring moisture and oils back into my hair. I was looking at other YouTube girls that were natural, looked at their products that they were using, and that was not okay because everyone was using that Jamaican castor oil products, and that definitely did not work for my hair. And it's not to knock anyone down. Like I said, it's not for everyone's hair, but that product made my hair dry and brittle. So it may work for you, but it does not work for my hair. So I made all these mistakes, brought all these expensive products, and that did not work for my hair. So that's why I said to learn your hair, guys. So once I did that, I found that Aussie products work for my hair, Cantu products work for my hair, As I Am products work for my hair, and that just thrived my hair, and you see the progression as of today. So second thing is, once you do learn your hair type and you do find the products that work for your hair, please stay consistent with using those products weekly. I cannot stress this enough. You have to moisturize your hair weekly. Just look at your hair as a plant. Feed me. That's what your hair is saying. Feed me. You're not going to see any progress if you don't put any moisturization in your hair or anything in your hair to see it thrive. Oils or anything like that. Like I said, once you learn your hair type and you found the products that work for you, just stick with it. So what I do is I wash my hair, decondition my hair, put oils in my hair every week. Well, I do the oils every other day, but I wash my hair in that routine every week. And deep conditions are very important for your hair. They bring the moisturizer back in your hair So you definitely need that. And third thing I would say is to actually stay away from heat. I know heat is our best friend. Um, you know, straight hair is so cute. We all love it, but don't do it, guys. If you can at least go maybe 6 months to a year without straightening your hair, you will actually see growth. Like I said, my hair was actually at neck length for years because I was straightening it consistently almost every day. Any fly or frizz, I'm like, I'm straightening my hair because I did not want to see any flyaways. I want it to be cute, so that's another reason. But like I said, leave it alone, guys. The last time I straightened my hair, like I said, was 2 years ago, and you see the progression now. You see how thick it is now, because when it was thin, I was over there looking like Smeagol from Lord of the Rings. Oh my God. So, like I said, leave it alone. But once you do get into those little key points and you do stick to certain things and you stick to a product, you will definitely go a long way. And like I said, I cannot stress it enough. Do not copy other YouTubers. Do not copy other natural hair girls. Do not do it, because then you'll be stuck at a point. If you do follow somebody and it does work for you, then hey, but I suggest for you to figure out a routine, figure out the product for you, figure out what works for your hair, and you will see progression. Trust me. I was impatient. I was frustrated. I was wondering why my hair was so short and not growing. I would look at other people's hair. And once I stopped doing that and started being patient and learning my hair, I actually seen growth, guys. And that is the best thing. And I did make so many mistakes along the way, but if you do tune into the video, I'll show you more. But as of now, please like and subscribe and share this video. I will really appreciate it. Thank you.